Hey you guys, so if you would like to see how I preserved this fresh wash and go that I washed like an hour or so, maybe two, prior to this clip, and how I got it to look like this the next morning, then just keep on watching. This is random, but I will qualify this clip as day one here personally. But yeah, if you want to see how I just preserved it overnight, then keep watching. Okay, you guys, so it's about an hour and a half later, and this is what my hair is looking like. As y'all can see, my curls are very defined. Because my curls are so defined. So them products really did work well together. I will link this wash and go up above in the iCard if y'all are interested in seeing what products I used. So basically, as y'all know, like I said earlier, I do my wash and goes at night, and it's about 4 a.m. So I need to get my stuff together. But I'm gonna just show y'all how I put it up. So just to avoid frizz, my hair is about 80% dry, and the only reason it's like that is because of my roots. But yeah, so I'm gonna just put some oil on my hands, and to preserve this, I'm gonna do what I always do. So just pull it up like so, just like this. And y'all know how I do. I just put my ponytail holder on it, pull it through about that much, and it doesn't really matter how the bun look. I'm so greasy, ew. But yeah, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so like I was saying, it doesn't really matter how the bun look, just as long as all the hair is up. I really don't want this to stick up in the morning, but we'll see. But yeah, we're just gonna put on our bonnet. Okay, so I'm gonna just go to sleep like this, and I'm gonna fix it whenever I wake up. I ain't even gonna say in the morning because it is 4 a.m. But I'm gonna fix it when I get up and if we go somewhere. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so it's now the next morning, and this is how my hair looks, still in the I guess a bun, but I'm finna take that down. So after shaking out the back just a little bit, my first thing I wanted to work on was like my little individual curls I got on the sides and in the front, and also my ponytail area. I wanted to fix that as well. So the first step to getting my hair sleek again in the front is getting just a little bit of gel and spreading it along like the little ponytail area, just to lay down my flyaways and to get it looking sleek and nice again. And then I'm going to take my fine tooth comb and lightly comb it back up into place so it can look, nice and neat again. And after that, I'm just going to reapply my clips to the front just to make sure the hair around the ponytail holder is nice and flat. I didn't show me taking them off before putting the gel on, but I did, so I'm just reapplying them. And now, as you can see, I'm just going to lightly tighten, the little ponytail area and start to form my bun. I thought with this style last night while doing it, that doing the bun would be super cute. So that's what I did. And then right now I'm just going to apply some bobby pins to really keep it in place. Okay, so now I'm just going to take some water and lightly wet my two front curls, and then I'm actually going to use my leave-in conditioner that I use to moisturize this style, to lightly pull the curls back together, and give it just a little bit more moisture, and then put it back into formation again very lightly. And I'm going to put the leave-in on the two front curls and the curls on the side. So now I'm just going to lightly touch up the front, and for the back I'm going to lightly spritz it with water just to reactivate the products that I applied last night. And I did kind of pull and separate the curls before this clip. I just didn't show y'all, but I'm going to take my comb and try to again separate some more curls, because I actually have really tight curls in the back. It's more 3C versus my 3B texture everywhere else. But yeah, I'm just trying to give it a little bit of volume. Now it's time for the edges. I'm going to take my toothbrush and my gel and just start laying my edges per usual. Y'all know how I do it, so I'm gonna just be quiet and let y'all watch.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
And now I'm just going to put a little bit of gel on the roots of those top curls, because I want that to be as neat as possible, because this is a fairly sleek style. But now all you're going to see me do is do touch-ups. Like, I'm going to put gel on my baby hairs, just to set those, I guess you could say, just to make sure they don't go nowhere. And I'm just going to be just last minute touch-ups, getting my hair popping how I like it to be. And after, doing them last minute touch ups and all that, and just refreshing my fresh wash and go from last night, this is my final results before I go and get cute. You know how I do. But yeah, like y'all saw, I added a little bit of oil to really seal in the moisture I added from that morning, and that's how I was looking. Okay, y'all, so this is my final result. And I really do like my hair personally. I feel like I did a good job preserving a fresh wash and go, and I really do hope this video helped you guys know how to do your wash and go at night and still have it looking popping the next morning. But if you did like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next one, y'all. Bye.